Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make matcha butter cream cake. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line the 24 centimeter cake pan with parchment paper. In a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, beat the eggs and sugar until it becomes pale yellow, thick and fluffy. Sift the flour and cornstarch together and whisk in the egg mixture. Warm the milk and butter together until the butter melts. Incorporate it into the egg and flour mixture. Pour the batter into the cake pan and bake until the top of the cake is golden brown and the center springs back when you touch it for about 40 minutes. Cool completely. Slice the sponge cake into 4 slices. Put the chopped chocolate in a bowl. Bring the heavy cream to a boil and pour over the chocolate. Let it stand for about 1 minute. Slowly mix them together until it becomes shiny and smooth. In a small pot, add the 45 grams of water and 135 grams of sugar and place on medium-low heat. In a stand mixer, beat the egg whites and 15 grams of sugar until soft peaks form. When the water and the sugar mixture reaches 117 degrees Celsius or 242 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly drizzle into the meringue while the mixer is running with high speed. Continue to whisk the meringue at medium speed until it becomes room temperature. Cut the unsalted butter into small pieces and slowly incorporate it into the meringue while the mixer is running on low speed. Mix in the rum and slowly incorporate the melted white chocolate. Sift the matcha and add a few big spoonfuls of buttercream and mix well. If the matcha gets clumpy, strain the cream to make it smooth. Set aside the rest of the buttercream for decorating the cake. Apply the syrup with a pastry brush on the slice of the sponge cake. Spread the ganache evenly. Place the second slice of the sponge cake and apply the syrup and spread the matcha buttercream. Place the third slice of the sponge cake and apply the syrup and spread the ganache. Place the fourth slice of the sponge cake and apply the syrup. Crumb coat the cake with matcha buttercream. Cover the cake with matcha buttercream and decorate with buttercream decorations and caramelized pecans. Sprinkle shaved white chocolate. This cake was made during the holiday season, but you can arrange the decoration however you like. I hope you enjoy making this cake and sharing it with someone you love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.